let us see the various components or parts which makes a computer, because a computer is made of various parts, each with its own function. Let's see each device, and we shall see its use or the function. Let's go and see. Now, this one here, the one I'm touching, is called the monitor. The monitor is an output device that displays what the user is doing. We shall see more about the monitor. We also have the keyboard. The keyboard, this one is the keyboard. The keyboard is made up of various keys. Everything that is here is called a key. That is why it is called a keyboard, because it is a board made of various keys which can be pressed. It's called a keyboard. Now we say that a keyboard is an input device that is used to enter or input textual information or data into a computer. Now we also have a mouse. This one is a mouse. So a mouse is also an input device. Now we say it is a pointing device. A mouse has something called a pointer. Now you can see a moving pointer over the screen. Now that point is used to point at an option or a command. For example, if I want to say okay, I simply bring my point to the word okay using my mouse, then I click OK. So the mouse is used to enter or input information by pointing. It is a pointing device. Now a mouse has a light beamer, is a sensor which senses the direction. This one is a sensor which senses the direction in which the mouse is moving, and consequently it moves the pointer to that direction. Now, apart from having a sense, now the modern days mouse have this light, a beam of light, which is used to move, or which is used to sense the direction in which the mouse is moving. But initially, the mouse had a ball here. They had a ball. The olden days, or maybe mouse which are not recent, they used the ball used to roll, and the direction in which the ball was rolling, then the mouse pointer would move in that direction. Likewise, the mouse also have 3 buttons. The first one is this one. I'm clicking this one. This one is called the left button. This one is called the scroll button. And this one is the right button. So when I press and release the button, we say that I have clicked. So clicking a mouse button is pressing and releasing, such that when you press and you release, a certain command is executed. Now this on the scrolling button is used to move a document or maybe a screen up and down when you are reading, or maybe you are using your computer. This other mouse, the right hand side, is also used to display a list of commands from which you can select from. Now, when you click this on the left button, you say it is left clicking. When you click this right button, we say you have right clicked. When you double click this one, the left side button, you say when you press it twice in a quick succession, we say that you have double clicked. Maybe see as we go on how to use a mouse by selecting and maybe by accepting various commands. Now we also have another thing, something here, this one. Now this one is called the system unit. And most of the people confuse system unit with the CPU. The system unit and the CPU are different things. They are two different things. Now, a system unit is a casing or a house that houses various components of the computer, including the hard disk. The hard disk is inside here. The CPU itself is inside here, and the CPU, we say that is the brain of a computer. It is housed in the system unit. We also have motherboard. Motherboard, we say, is a circuit board in which various components are mounted. Is an electronic circuit board. We also have speakers inside here. We also have a battery that is called a CMOS battery, which is used to control date and the time. Thank you very much for watching. Next session, we shall look at the keyboard and the mouse and how to use them. And in detail, we shall elaborate various keys in the keyboard. Thank you.